Water is life. It's our most precious resource, sustaining us and the world around us. It nourishes our bodies, provides essential minerals, grows our crops, the livestock we consume, and connects us all in the delicate cycle of life. But can you imagine a world without water? Deep beneath our homes lies a vast network of ancient aquifers. These hidden reservoirs, like the Piedmont and Blue Ridge aquifers, provide billions of gallons of water each day, supporting over 28 million people from Atlanta, Georgia, all the way up to Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. That's why Pinnacle Well Measurement Solutions was created. We provide homeowners, farmers, and livestock holders with safe, non-intrusive methods to accurately measure your aquifer-fed, artesian-drilled well water levels. The rewarding part of this job is not only helping people and being able to identify any issues with their water sources, but getting up every day and looking at this beautiful serene views. I think a lot of veterans will benefit for having these therapeutic sceneries. It's peaceful, and best part of it is you get to be your own boss, and who doesn't want to be their own boss in this day and age? Pinnacle Well Measurement Solutions was founded by veterans and their dependents, created for veterans, transitioning military members, and their families. Our women and men in uniform who serve deserve the best, and Pinnacle Well Measurement Solutions is proud to contract these brave patriots who sacrificed for our Constitution and our liberties. Being a veteran myself, and coming from a long line of veterans, has fueled our desire to give back and provide purpose. Hello, my name is Garrett Andrews. I'm co-founder of Pinnacle Well Measurement Solutions. Our service is designed to give homeowners, livestock holders, and farmers accurate well measurement levels for their aquifer-fed water sources. Our 70 square mile coverages will cover southeastern Tennessee, southwestern North Carolina, middle northern and northern Georgia, and parts of Alabama. We're excited to give this first of its kind ever service to individuals who depend on aquifer-fed well waters. We are your solution for your well water levels.